We're gonna go over how to shoot knockdown. I've got Miguel here with JV Painting. Miguel's never had a chance to do that, so this is a great opportunity for him to see how to shoot it and how to knock it down. So Miguel, these are the spots that we're gonna be hitting. You can see where all these repairs are being done. We wanna focus just in the area. We don't want to just cover the whole wall because it just wastes texture, right? So we're just gonna go in the area of each patch. So I'll shoot the first one here, Miguel, just so you kind of see how it works, but a couple things that are really important. When you're shooting orange peel, you wanna stay back about 3 feet so it has a lot of time to separate. With knockdown, we've gone from 60 PSI to 30 PSI, right? So less air, so there's less distance. The air pressure is not going to carry it as far. So you want to get about maybe 18 inches away from the wall. Small circles, pull the trigger, small circles, and then squeeze the bag. That's what I'm going to do here. Okay, so just remember, air first and then squeeze. And if they're a little bit too small, just keep the circles going and squeeze harder. Okay. One thing that, see how it's dripping a little bit? That's because you're squeezing before the air. So you want to make sure that the air is on first and then squeeze. Looks good. Ready to knock it down? We want to go over the fact that the back side of the blade has a rounded portion to it. It's flatter on the labeled side. You want to be knocking it down from the plain side. And when you knock it down, you want to just barely be touching the wall. You don't want it up at an angle. You just want it to be barely touching the wall. Okay, there you go. Well, Josh, looks like we got a new guy doing the knockdown from now on. What's important is that we give you information here at Easy Pro about how to do the repairs, what tools to use, how to stay safe. But always remember, at the end, Easy Pro Texture for your texturing and all of your texture product needs.
Hey, click here to watch videos on our other products and other instructional videos and how to use them.